I needed a solution to hang clothes in my laundry room without having to drill through my walls to install a hanging rod. So after searching around on Amazon, I found this Simple Housewares portable garment rack, and it was exactly what I needed. It's got not one, but two rods, plus they are even different heights, which makes it easier to keep things organized on the rack and separate tops from bottoms or even separate clothes by person. This rack was actually really easy to assemble. The instructions were very clear and very direct, and there weren't really even that many pieces to put together. I love that this clothing rack is on wheels because I can wheel it around my laundry room very easily depending on what I'm doing. It even has a rack of sorts on the bottom that can be used to store lighter things like shoes or accessories. This clothing rack is great for large or small spaces as it doesn't take up a ton of space, but it does have a lot of room to hang stuff on it. I'd highly recommend it, and it's been working wonderfully in my laundry room to hang the clothes of my entire family.